Hi guys, we're back from holiday, back in the old routine. Nanny's gone to visit her friend. I'm going to sit in the car and make one of these boats. I did one the other day, a couple of weeks ago now I suppose. There's a set of 4. Black Pearl I think was the one I did. $18 pieces for the dragon ship, 21 pieces for the Santa Maria, 22 for the Penteconter, and I think the Black Pearl had a few more pieces, so I started with the most pieces, so we'll work our way back through them. We'll do this one with 21 pieces, Penteconter. I've actually forgotten my tripod as well for the camera, so it's just wedged in the steering wheel on the car. So if it suddenly jumps out of position, I apologise. Okay. So there you go, a Penteconter. With only 15 pieces. Okay, that's it, job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.